This is a video to introduce, drumroll, our brand new website. So here's a little showcase. Head to the search engine of your choice, type in Peregrine Partners, and up we pop. If you can face doing that, that should encourage them to re-crawl our website. At the moment, these sub pages are linking to the old ones. That will get fixed. If you click on the main one at the top, that takes you to the new live site. This is all thanks to one of our interns, is a software developer and coding specialist by trade, has done a bloody brilliant job of revamping our digital presence and really getting into the guts of web flow and web design and SEO and all that good stuff to make our online presence actually reflect who we are and what we do significantly better than it currently does. If you want to go and check out our website, please do. Here's a quick tour of what you can find. We've got our key services, a little bit about all of that. Some of the clients that we work with, a bit more SEO optimization, which has some of our services again. We've written down the signature method that we use whenever we're approaching any of our bigger strategy, sustainability projects. We've got a big showcase of our annual financial services benchmarking report, which looks at the annual reports of 57 banks, fintechs and building societies and looks at what they're saying and doing about strategy and sustainability. That's been the baby of one of our other interns called Dan, and he put that live today and we're just going to debug it tomorrow. So do another awkward video about that later in the week. Then we've got some of our case studies, a few more hiding behind the scenes there, testimonials, because you got to have those on your website, a lovely picture of me, Nick and our two interns standing in the rain in Edinburgh last week. A bit about Paragon, and then this is quite nice, some of our research pieces which cover strategy and sustainability. Here, lots more behind there. Actually, we need a little button and then a nice call to action. Let's talk, get in touch. And we finally got our newsletter up and running, which is all linked to the resources page on the website. But that's hosted on Substack, called Business Less Usual, all about strategy and sustainability and how those disciplines are changing in the world today, fitting into the intelligence age, as we're calling it. So if that sounds interesting, please subscribe. We won't sell your details or subject you to hideous marketing. It's just for people who are interested in that sort of thing. If you get 5 minutes, we would love it if you could go check out our website, have a flick through, tell us if there's anything that doesn't work, tell us if there's anything that you particularly like, and let us know if you think it does a better job of bringing what we do to life. It absolutely does. Totally thrilled with the way it looks and feels as well, and it's got some neat little things like an FAQs thing, all about a bit about strategic foresight, scenario planning, sustainability, bit of jargon busting. I've got a glossary that'll go live tomorrow, we hope. There we go, that's it. Check it out, and well done, and thanks again to Jamie Thompson for an absolutely brilliant new website.